Ibrahim Traore is going to betray Africa. Putin knows what he's doing. They're going to cause noise, but nothing will change in the next few days. It's over for Africa. They are all puppets. That's what the French say. Now I'm going to tell you the truth. Do you think Ibrahim Traore will allow Africa to be robbed again? Ibrahim Traore has sworn to sacrifice himself for the success of Africa. Nothing will change his decision until death. No matter what you think of him, he has already made his decision. Stay focused. Look at Africa. Look at France. Look at Ivory Coast. Look at Paris. Look at the market in Lomé. Look at the smallest market in France. Look at a neighborhood in Burkina. Look at a neighborhood in France. Look at a party spot in Benin. Look at a meeting place in France. Look at your future child. Look at the future French children. Look at a house in Niger. Look at a house in France. However, Africa is the richest continent in the world. Listen to me well, if you are African. I want you to take action because I know you are outraged so that this video reaches many people. I'm not asking you for anything, but subscribe to the channel and don't leave without writing your message to Macron in the comments. Share it with many people. Africa needs to wake up. Ibrahim Traore, Africa supports you. Our ancestors protect you. Good luck.